Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the FACEIT Anti-Cheat system on your Windows 10 or 11 system. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is go to FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Type in FACEIT Anti-Cheat download or AC download, and here it is here. So click on it, Anti-Cheat from faceit.com. Now once you're on this page, you go ahead and click on the download 64-bit, but if you're running 32-bit, choose 32-bit. And if you're not sure which version of computer you have, if it's 32 or 64, we need to go to search and type in about your PC. And then from here, this is where we'll be able to find if it's 34 or 64-bit operating system. So here under system type, it's going to show you here. So my system's a 64. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on download 64-bit. Now this is going to go ahead and download on my computer. It's about 100 megabytes in size. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once it's finished downloading. Alright, so it's finished downloading. So now go ahead and open it up. If it doesn't appear here, go to your download section in your computer and double click onto it. Then click yes, and then accept the terms. Click next, and then it will say set up FACEIT AC. Select additional tasks you would like to set up to perform while installing FACEIT AC, then click next. So you can create a desktop shortcut and also install FACEIT client. Click on to next, click on install, and that's going to go ahead and download additional files and start the installation process. Then from here, it will say completing the FACEIT AC setup. Where's it? Launch FACEIT AC. Click finish to exit setup. So click on click finish. Then this little window will appear. Then click on allow. Now it's going to go accounts.faceit. This box will pop up. Verify you're human. And just follow the on-screen prompts from here. Alright, then you'll come to this page here. It will say FACEIT login. So put in your email address, password, or you can log in with Steam. If you don't have an account, you go ahead and click on create an account.